Hey guys, Joe from Pepper in the Woods here, and it's a cold, snowy day here. Everything's iced over now, but look at I got to wear my wool jumper. I have a nice front pocket here. It's 100% wool, made from army blankets. It's not itchy because I lined it inside. Well, it wasn't itchy anyway, but I lined it also with a hoodie. So I stitched a hoodie in, and then in the hood itself, I stitched in a another liner, if you can see it there, so the hood doesn't scratch my ears or anything. But yeah, it's really toasty warm. But I'm going to try to do what I can out here before my battery dies, because it doesn't like the cold. I'm going to try to do a flint and steel fire. I have some grass that I saved in a box over there. I'm going to see if that's dry enough to do it, but I'm going to give it a go now. So and then after that, if I still have battery left, I'll bring down all my kit for fires, and I'll try to do the fires out here. So stay tuned. Right, so for this fire, I got some dry grass. I found some wood shavings from a previous feather sticking, and then I'm also gonna use some of this natural stuff from I got from an RJ Bushcraft box, just to put the amber from the chalk cloth into it to help it give it a bit of oomph, because everything's a little bit damp. So I'm gonna set the bird nest up now, do the flint and steel, and then transfer it over to that, and hopefully we should have something. Right, so I got two steels. This one here should look familiar. That is the Pathfinder one. I got on really well with that one. I like that one. And then this one here is an eBay cheap one, which I think is just a carbon chain link, and someone just cut a little hole in it for your fingers. Size wise, I'd say that's a two finger one, where compared to that one you can get a bit more. Both of them, when you get tired, just make sure you don't start smacking your knuckles. That happens to me too once in a while. But let's get the chalk cloth on, because it's getting cold. Alright, so I get a generous amount of chalk cloth, put it on my flint there, and this is the way I do it. I mean, everybody has their own way, but I'm getting sparks. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, so that's going now. Hope you can see that. But if not, it is lit. It's just lit over here. So that was quick and easy. I can feel the heat already. I'm not going to rush anything. It's going to do its own thing. So I'm just going to put it there right now. And then not suffocate it. I normally be waving around a bit more, but I want to get it on camera. And then there you go. Turn it around a bit. Get rid of my other stuff so I don't go up. And then there you go. So that's how I do mine. Just want to give a quick demo on that. And then I'll go through all my natural selection of bushcraft fire starters and other bits in a minute. I have to do that upstairs because I'm already on half battery now. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Bye.